Hello, Parth, am I audible?
Yeah, Unnati, you're audible.
Yeah, okay. So let's start, shall we? Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining, and it's time to finally marvel. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the second installation ceremony of the Road Track Club of Sydenham College. I, Road Tractor Nati Singh, along with Road Tractor Path Barot, will be your host for this delightful noon, and we, on behalf of the entire RCSC team, would like to welcome you on board.
If you haven't noticed, we have a full Avengers Assemble theme going on. This cinematic universe, driving inspiration from our mighty Marvel heroes and carrying forward the lessons of leadership, perseverance, and having fun. No matter what, it's a game on.
Absolutely, Parth. Well, then let's launch into it, shall we? I would like to request Road Actor Yash Babrekar, the outgoing president for the Road Track Club of Sydenham College, to call the meeting to order.
Hello all. Welcome to the second installation ceremony of Rotaract Club of Sydenham College. As the Charter President, Mr. Yash Babrekar, I call on myself. With this, I would like to call the meeting to order. Now, I would like to request our Sergeant at Arms, Mr. Saurabh Anasune, to begin with the national anthem. Thank you.
I request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. Please sit down.
I would like to formally welcome all the people present with us in this ceremony. It is truly fortunate to have all of you. Specifically, I would like to welcome the members of Rotaract Club of Sydenham College. I would like to welcome the members of Rotaract District, our parent Rotary Club, the parents of our members, and along with that, our professors and our alumni. Without your support, this would have been impossible. The theme for last year was Challenges are Opportunity. Now, this theme was put together after very careful thought. This was because during the pandemic, we were the first Rotaract club in Sydenham which started despite of facing various challenges which everybody of us did. What I feel about this theme in particular is that it gave us the foundation to build our Rotaract Club of Sydenham College from tough situations and strengthened our bond as a club. I'm pretty sure that this year's theme, as it would be revealed, would also change the shape of the way Rotaract Sydenham would function.
Moving on with the proceedings, I call upon Team Secretariat, Road Tractor Sakshi Chavan, for presenting the year-end Secretariat report.
Thank you, Unnati. Hello, everyone. I'm Road Tractor Sakshi Chavan, the Secretary of the Road Track Club of Sydenham College for the year 2020-21. I'm filled with mixed emotions at the moment as I present to you the Secretariat report for 2020-21. The previous year, being the charter year of Road Track Club of Sydenham College, we invested a lot of time in committee formation, setting the foundation and emphasizing on values such as integrity, leadership skills, team building, along with making friends on our way. I would now like to present to you the club details for the year 2020-21. Club name, Rotaract Club of Sydenham College. District number 3141, Zone 1A. Parent Rotary Club, Rotary Club of Bombay. Charter date, 18th September 2020. President 2021, Rotaractor Yash Babrekar. Secretary 2021, Rotaractor Sakshi Chavan. I now come up to the membership details. Male members 30, female members 22. Total club strength 52. The number of meetings conducted during the year include Board of Director meetings 6, General Body member meetings 3. I would now like to explain the projects we conducted during the year, starting with the Cancer Awareness Campaign, an initiative led by the Community Service Department. 7th November was observed as a National Cancer Awareness Day last year, and we took this day as an opportunity to fulfill our duty towards the society by creating awareness and breaking the myths about cancer. We were honored to have Dr. Ian Pinto, one of the top oncologists of Mumbai, as our guest speaker, and Mrs. Premi Matthew, the founder of Hair for Hope India and Protect Your Mom campaign, and a stage 2 cancer survivor, join us for the event. Our event started with a live hair donation by Arham Ikram, a 5-year-old boy donating his hair. He had maintained his hair from the age of 1, and this decision was taken by his parents after one of their close friends suffered from cancer. Mrs. Matthew spoke about her experiences as a cancer survivor and about the noble work her NGO did. She also spoke about the ups and downs she faced and specified how important a chemo buddy is, and it is important to give time to cancer patients. Dr. Ian Pinto spoke about what cancer is and the different types of cancer. Sir explained the importance of early detection and what mammography is and its types. The second event which we conducted was an Among Us tournament. This event was conducted by the Club Service Department. It was an intra-club event exclusively for the members of the Rotaract Club of Sydenham College. The basic agenda of the event was club interaction, to get to know each other better for the smooth functioning of the club. The first thing we decided to do was creation of rules and regulations, event flow, the platform at which all members can interact. The total number of rounds played were 2 on the 2 days, respectively 15th and 16th of October. Next, we conducted leadership talks, which were an initiative by the Professional Development Department. The first leadership talk was with Professor Mohammed Virani, and Sir spoke about the topic of professionalism versus collectivism. It was a session full of learning and how to get things done in simple words. He gave some realistic examples and virtues of individualism and collectivism. The session marked its fabulous ending by positive energy and motivation to get things done. The second one was with Mr. Nikhil Desai, a distinguished college alumni, an international speaker, motivator, and a trainer who is passionate about enabling people to excel in their personal and professional lives. A powerful presenter with an energetic style, Sir inspired and motivated the members to achieve milestones. The next, we conducted an event which was an initiative by the International Service Department called Mountain Biodiversity. We organized 2 contests under this event. One was a 150-word story, and the other was a photo contest. The 150-word story should highlight the adventure of the individual in the mountains, any trek or camping experience, wherein the individual must be able to convey his or her mountain journey in an effective manner. And the second was a photo contest we organized so that people can share their best captures in the mountains, whether hilly, rocky, or snowy. The Professional Development Avenue of the Rotaract Club of Sydenham College also initiated a book club. The book club conducted interesting group discussions on books like Seriously I'm Kidding by Ellen DeGeneres and The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The fun session was filled with learnings, and the book club members could take back a lot with them. Along with the discussions, a quiz was also organized for the members. The total number of club projects for the year 2021 are 6. Thank you.
Wow, seems like last year's team had a marvelous time sharing lots of memories. Kudos to them for coming up with such black ideas and events. Sounds like last year ended with a blast.
Couldn't agree more, Parth. I would now like to invite Rotaractor Freya Sheikh to present the awards to the committee of 2020-2021.
Thank you so much, Unnati. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Freya Sheikh, HRD officer for the year 2020 and 2021. Without further ado, I'm here to present the awards for the year 20 and 2021. Starting with Mitesh Pendari. the BOD of Creatives Department. Trust me, this man has worked so hard throughout with sleepless nights, and he's the most creative person y'all can ever find. The next one being Protractor Om Gaikhe. He was the Professional Development Board of Director. With such unique ideas such as Book Club and leadership talks, we have successfully motivated the members. The next one being Protractor Sonia Reddy. If you have any problem, this is the person that you all can go to. You have a problem, he'll have the solution. Next is Protractor Paris Dhulia. He is the person who, in true sense, has evoked a feeling of brotherhood amongst all the members, being the club service director. Protractor Dhruvi Khandelwal. Well, we have really good members who have entrepreneurial skills, and she has successfully taken the task of guiding them throughout. Protractor Joyly D. Avery. The best communicator y'all can ever find is Joyly. Now, after these special mentions, let's move on to best members. First one, Protractor Sanya Lakhani. She is by far the silent girl and the most, and I mean it, the most sincere person you all can ever find. Tejaswini Bhandarkar. She is the person who has taken so many initiatives in the cell and has successfully motivated so many members to further progress. Next one, Protractor Sam. He's the most calm person you all can ever find, and he knows how to get things done. Like, seriously. Coming on to the next Protractor Abbas Bora. You give him a task, and this man will always aim for perfection. Okay, what am I supposed to say about Dhruti Singh? You put Dhruti in a room of silent people, and trust me, all of them will start talking. She is by far the most friendliest person one can find. Nilesh Sharma. His sincerity towards work is commendable, and trust me, we have learned a lot from him. Runmay More. You know, he is that kind of a person. If we go next to him and tell him, like, Runmay, ye kaam hai, hoga kya? He'll be like, हाँ हो जाएगा, मैं कर लूँगा वो काम. And last but not least, Matre. She's a wonderful woman who is always has to work on time, dedicated and hardworking too. She's the bhai of our club. With that, I will take the leave and end my segment of awards. Thank you.
Thank you, Freya, and congratulations to all the BUDs as well as the members. So moving ahead, as Tony Stark said, part of the journey is the end. One day, all our efforts will remunerate maybe into those exact outcomes we were expecting or into some excellent lessons for the future. But whichever one it may be, it will always come to an end. We have got a few members now, as from the last year's teams, who would like to share their journey.
Hey guys, this is Om Gaike. I was the board of director of the Professional Development Avenue at the Rotary Club of Sydenham College. Personally speaking, my experience has been inexplicable. I have zero words for it. Individually and as teams and committees, we enjoyed so much. We had so many activities, and we learned so many things every single day that it triumphed the learning at our college. The things we learned at college we were able to put into practical use while working at the club. And individually speaking, I learned things like managing time, managing people, and communicating efficiently, which is something that I could not have learned in college. So yeah, that's been my experience, and I'm really grateful for it. I hope yours will be the same or maybe even better. So good luck.
Hello Rotractors, this is Joyly Diaprio. I was a Partner and Service Director of a Rotrac Club for last year. Speaking about my journey, it was incredible. We had so much fun and got to learn so much from each other. For me, it all started from understanding where I am and looking forward what to become. Rotrac has helped me build my confidence and motivated me through each of its activities held. My time in Rotrac has enriched my life in many ways, to which I'm really grateful for. And I hope you all have a lovely time here too. Lastly, we'd like to congratulate each one of you all for being here today and being a part of Rotrack Sydney. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dhruti Singh. I was one of the founding members of the Rotrack Club of Sydenham College from 2020 to 2021, and I was in the club service department, and this journey has been really amazing for me. Like, it's kind of difficult to put this into words, but it is one of the best experiences that I had, and it has really developed me a lot. My personality, the commitments, the tasks to be completed on time and everything, my professionalism, and from doing the Among Us activity on Discord and Gmeet and discussing those events and doing quizzes, Bollywood quizzes on WhatsApp and everything, making such friends online and everything. It has really been one of the best experiences, and I've really learned a lot in this pandemic and through Rotrack. And I'll just tell you one thing, that just make the most of it and you'll really cherish this moments forever. And all the best to you.
With a heavy but grateful heart, it's now time we officially say goodbye to last year's team. कि अब हमारे आत्मनिर्भर बनने का वक्त आ गया है. We have Rotractor Freya Sheikh introducing the outgoing president, Rotractor Yash Babrekar, which will be followed by his outgoing speech.
Thank you so much, Unnati. So moving on to introducing our president. So I'm really glad to be introducing Protractor Yash Babrekar, the president for the year 2020 and 2021. He's the guy who started it all, a leader in true sense with a clear vision, not only for himself, but also his team. He truly believes in growing together along with everyone. Presenting to you, Protractor Yash Babrekar.
Now, this was the one part that I really wasn't prepared for, the outgoing speech. No matter how much thought I put, it was impossible for me to put the experiences that I've had in words. Well, let me just take you to the journey that I had. I've met amazing people, created good friends, and have experienced events that I could never even dream of. The dream of Rotrack in Sydenham College began with the kind of values that we wanted to bring in Sydenham. We saw the students getting an opportunity of imbibing values like service, fellowship, diversity, integrity, and leadership through Rotrack. And that became our motive as well. With the journey of Rotrack, which began with 5 people, 5 very good close friends who I worked with very closely during the time, the members and the family slowly grew to a team of 50 people. We could never imagine that happening, but well, it was fast. In this, I would personally like to thank the core team that I was working with. Very good friends that I've built a lifelong relationship with. Muskan, Sakshi, Freya, Saurabh and Tanvish. Muskan, Sakshi and Freya have really handled the events when I was absent. At the time when they handled things gracefully. Every one of us have handled a particular responsibility, and I can proudly say that they have handled more than my share. Tanvish was someone that I could really trust with, our treasurer and the brains behind a lot of good strategies that we implemented in the working. Not a lot of people knew, but he was always a silent supporter during all our endeavors. With our board of directors, I would really like to thank Mitesh and Soumya specifically. The COVID pandemic was a difficult time. All the events that we thought would happen in person would move online, and both of them were the backbone of all the events that we did. Along with them, Ankita, Bilal, Dhruvi, Mansi, Saswat. We've worked together since quite some time between college years. But in this, I really valued your friendship and your support. Ankita, my senior who I learned from right from the very start. Bilal, a very close friend and a strategic advisor, always. Dhruvi, Mansi and Saswat, always there with their ambition and their drive to be better. Our juniors, Om, Paras, Joyli, Vedvyas, you people have always been the best board of directors that we could work with. You had the drive, you had the passion and the energy. Thank you. I would also like to thank Amir, Joyli, Brugaja, Srushti. The way that you people carried yourselves, the way that you people led, it was unbelievable. The one thing that I am grateful for is that Rotrack Sydenham had many more leaders than just the president or the core team. All of them have been wonderful throughout. The members specifically, I mean, I wouldn't be able to name a few because all of them have worked so well in their times. I'm pretty sure the awards would justify that. Rotrack Sydenham was built on the foundation of self development and brotherhood. We cared for each other and had each other's backs at all times. At the end, all I would want to say is I wish this incoming team the same fortune that we had of having a team that you can call your family. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for listening in. And all the best for your very future. Thank you. I would now like to introduce Dipangsha, one of my dear friends and the next president of Rotrack Club of Sydenham College. She's a passionate individual with big dreams and has a team which supports her through everything. I'm pretty sure that with a team as supportive as Dipangsha's and with the caliber that she holds, she is going to do wonders with Rotrack Club of Sydenham College. With a very happy heart and high hopes, I pass on this responsibility to you, Dipangsha. I give you the President's Collar and the gavel and gong. All the best. All of us are with you, and as the immediate past president, I would always be there to support your team to the fullest.
Thank you for the wonderful introduction, Ash.
कौन पूछ रही है? I request PCM Himali, please mute yourself. Okay, please go ahead, Dipansha. Sorry.
Right. If you told me a year ago that I will be the next president of RCSC, I would tell you that you are so mad. I didn't think I had to lead a crowd of 60 plus people, being responsible for them, the growth, while simultaneously making sure that we make a substantial change to the society. But as Sir Nelson Mandela has said, it's impossible undone, and I couldn't agree more. This past month has surprised me in many ways. I made sure that I never doubt myself again, as anything is possible, and all I need is to have a little faith in myself, a strong determination to succeed, willingness to learn, and keeping an open mind to failure. My Rotrack journey till now, the little of what I've had, it has been a roller coaster ride. I've been stressed, exhausted, nervous, overwhelmed, angry. Oh, did I mention stress already? Oh, well, it deserves to be mentioned twice. Despite all that, there were moments where I was delighted. I was happy when we crossed a particular goal. I was happy when my team was being praised for the great work done by others. I was happy when my members told me that they were loving the club already. And I was happy when new members joined in when they heard their friends' experiences. I know how fortunate I am to be provided with this unexpected opportunity, and I will make sure that I do not take it for granted. I may not be the best leader, one of the best leaders out there, but I promise you all that I will make sure that I keep on improving myself and upgrading myself to provide a superior experience for you, as well as be a better friend and a leader to you all. I'm bound to make mistakes, but I assure you that I'll learn from them, and therefore I hope you all can keep a big heart and forgive me. RC Sydenham, so speaking about the aim, vision, and mission about the club, RC Sydenham's aim would be to uplift individual personalities to better serve the community. Once we have achieved the desired aim, my vision for the club would be easily attainable. My vision is to make our club one of the best Rotrack clubs in our district in the near future. Also, to make a significant change in the society as well as lives of every member of a club. My mission for the club would be to kindle a bond of brotherhood, provide a safe space for people to be themselves, and foster an environment of consistent growth. I will make sure that when the RI year 2021-22 ends, each one of us will leave with a bag full of memories, everlasting friendships, adequate morals and lessons, plus a distinguishable change in all. In addition to that, I will see to it that we all have leveled up in one way or another and are one step closer to being the better version of ourselves. Now, speaking of about the basic areas that we as a club are going to focus on, we will majorly focus our attention on health, both mental and physical health. This pandemic has been tough on all of us. It has disrupted our normal life. Many people have contracted the virus and have fought fiercely to defeat it. In doing so, their mental health has also been affected. Even the ones sitting at home have been going through an emotional turmoil, which has indeed worsened their mental health. I want to provide them assistance with that to give peace to their mind, help them go through this difficult phase and achieve a stable and good mental health. As you know what they say, a happy mind is a happy soul. For physical health, we plan to spread awareness about various diseases, their symptoms, the gravity of it, and how it can be prevented, since early detection can save a life. We plan to provide support and encouragement to all of the people suffering from an illness. We've also got a plan to provide better medical facilities to the people from the other side of the bridge. Cancer has also been one of our main focus. A recent report published by the National Cancer Registry Program, NCRP, estimates that the number of cancer cases is likely to increase from 13.9 lakh in 2020 to 15.7 lakh by 2025, an increase of nearly 20%. However, the one good thing is at least 1/3 of the common cancers are preventable. Thus, our aim is going to be that we help in reducing this number by educating people about the preventable cancer. We'll also help the people suffering from the various kinds of cancer in all the way we can. So this was the majority focus. Of course, we're also going to focus on and the elderly. A disclaimer, guys, all of this depends on the COVID situation and the permission provided by our college. So I like to end my speech by expressing my gratitude to the ones who have helped me to a great extent. I'd like to thank our principal ma'am and professor in charge for giving me this opportunity. I'd like to thank Ajit sir and Murad sir for helping me and guiding me throughout this process. I'd like to thank my spectacular team for always being there for me and supporting me in whatever decision I make. Keep being the awe-inspiring person that you all are. I wish I could meet each one of you and get to know you. If things work out in our favor, I might actually get to do that. Lastly, I'd like to thank the district team, my ZRRs, the press sec team, IPP, Rotrakta Urvi, Rotrakta Bhavika, and Rotrakta Sajni. They've been kind enough to help me and answer my never-ending questions. I hope this year is our year and we achieve great things. All the best to all of us.
Congratulations, Dipansha, and surely looking forward to work with you and make or share lots of memories. So moving ahead, for the very first time, we present to you the Rotaract Club of Sydenham College theme for the year 2021 to 2022. Now, what is it? It is changing the perception. Now, after lots of research, we have come out with an input that is, with an approach of empathy and compassion, our focus would be on challenging the bias, prejudices, and instill an approach of affinity for all, instigating others to not simply root for the protagonist without considering the outlook of the antagonist.
You bet. It's all about possibilities. All we have to do is pause and reflect time and time again. As stated in Dr. Strange, ever reject the possibility, for it is the possibility that leads to opportunity. Leaving you to ponder over, are we in this vast multiverse? And that's something we'll keep on exploring throughout the year. Our subsequent emphasis would be on valuing and appreciating those who work behind the scenes, putting in their blood, sweat, and tears for the joint win of all, yet are always from far away from praise and applaud. For they are the actual heroes in the movie that is life. I now call upon our president, Protractor Dipansha, to reveal the t-shirt, the letterhead, and the badge.
So this is our t-shirt for the year. This is our badge for the year. is
We would now like to reveal the
this is
letterhead.
this is the letterhead, and next we have the banner for the year 2021-22.
It's always fascinating to see how much a team can achieve, perfectly playing out each other's weaknesses while overcoming this, perfectly playing out each other's strengths while overcoming the weaknesses. Iron Man might have shared the world with saved the world, but he had a whole army of superheroes by his side always.
Yep, and they had their failures to learn from too. It takes long days and sleepless nights, constant hours for that one flawless outcome. And after countless meeting links shared, we get the job just done right.
Agreed, Parth. And so we have a small surprise for this year's team. An extra special thank you for all the tireless work done. We move on by a special introduction of our president. Captain Marvel is at the top of her game as an Avenger. She is one of the most powerful Avengers in the MCU universe, and evidently, Dipansha is the captain of the RCSC ship. In the same fashion as Captain Marvel, our president is bold and an articulate leader with a powerful mind and a great deal of charisma. While both of them are immensely important, when she calls orders, everyone turns her head to her good judgment. Driven by passion and selflessness, she is someone we can depend on blindly.
Wow. I'm moved by this accurate description of our President Rotractor Dipansha Khetawat. She truly runs this unit with the much needed patience, warmth, and a come what may, I'm ready for it attitude. I feel honored, and I'm sure you all share the same emotion. With that being said, let's learn a little more about Rotractor Dipansha's clique of heroes. Hold on. I will be more precise. Let us now discover her Presidential Advisory Council for the year 2021 to 2022.
Thank you, Pat. I'll introduce you all to my awesome team. I'll start with my core team, and first up, we have a vice president, Dr. Pat Baror. Two things that make a good leader: learning constantly and extending the opportunity of leadership. Luckily, a future leader has both these qualities. Path is one such leader who brims with compassion and innovation, leading others and contributing in some way or other in their lives. He is a Doctor Strange with a kaleidoscope of ideas and clever mind. He has got perseverance as the ability to learn from mistakes because Doctor Strange believes a second effort is necessary to fix things. On the other side, the vice president is very outgoing, jolly, witty, and a good hearted person. He has a humble personality with great confidence who admires people with simplicity. Next up, we have our secretary, Dr. Palash Wadekar. Palash is a vision with the extraordinary abilities to innovate and think out of the box. Well, for us, this secretary is a human who is very good at heart, ambitious, and thoughtful. Even if the vision is made of vibranium metal, the light that he possesses to aid humanity is similar to Palash, who inspires us to take an extra mile and support others. He is the most truthful and easygoing person you will ever. Next, we have our Joint Secretary for the year 2021-22, Protractor Richa Rao. Richa astounds us with her brilliance, creation, leadership that often provide key elements to smoothly and effectively guide the club. In times of trouble, this brilliant story is a fierce ally to have on your side, as Richa always figures out a way to get going. A joint secretary is not only an admin person, but also an excellent communicator, a team player, and an amiable girl. Cheers to the brightest and meticulous Protractor Richa Rao. Then, moving on, we have our HRD officer, Protractor Jignan Patel. Jignan is the captain of positivity, trust, ethics, and value. He highlights the creativity and always turns the table in his favor. Captain America empowers through actions and not just through words. Similarly, our HRD officer is the man of word. A captain's integrity and strong conviction makes him credible. Jignan loves connecting with people and has a soft spot for community building. He is a friendly, lively, and amusing person to whom you will find yourself home at. Then we have our treasurer and the editorial director of Dr. Unnati Singh. She is the Black Widow. Unnati is a one-woman army because she is a great treasurer as well as a phenomenal editor. We, as a club, have always loved her. This Black Widow is certainly smart, creative, intelligent, and very calm and collected as a person. An aspiring CS student and goal-oriented describes her well. Unnati is generous, kind, and a people person. She will be a strong support for the club by uniting everyone and keeping the club financially strong. Then we have the Sergeant at Arms, Shiathava Bendre. Could you imagine the fear in the eyes of a supervillain if Bruce Banner was stopped? Once the Hulk shows up, then the situation is taken a little more seriously. That's how our Sergeant at Arms is taking the charge and keeping things to serve the protocol for smooth functions. We are presented with the duality in the Hulk. On one hand, when Shiatha was not hulking out, he is probably being a smart, brilliant, interesting, and fun-loving person you would ever hang out with. Then we have a Rimishit past president, Protractor Ash Babikar. Would there have been Avengers without Shield's director Nick Fury? And there's no one like Nick Fury. He is a dynamic person with a competitive attitude and has excellent skills. This Nick Fury is one with a passion for helping people. He is an achiever and a strong team player. Our immediate past president is a champion who won hearts with passion. First up, we have a service directors, Protractor Samiksha. Wanda has the power of telepathy devoted to protecting innocence. Similarly, Samiksha is passionate about serving with people and care. She is creative and good at heart. We also have a joint director for community service, that is Protractor Mihir Gaikwad. Mihir is a quick-witted, brilliant, and has a soft corner to build community. He is a Tony Stark who works to create a difference. He is extremely talented, versatile, and easy to get along with. Next up, we have our club service director, Protractor Johan. Johan is a happy Hugin. He is the most reliable and trustworthy guy when it comes to working with. His charming, energetic vibes will surely keep all the members charged throughout the year. We have another director for club service, Protractor Chirag. Chirag is enthusiastic, fun-loving, and has a riveting personality. Just like Star-Lord, he is an amazing person who can win people's heart and keeps the ability to get things done. Next up, we have our professional development director, Protractor Sid. Smith is extremely hardworking and goal-oriented. He has astounded us with his brilliance time and again. Next up, we have Protractor Harsh. Harsh is a loyal, brave, strong, and resilient, precisely like the Winter Soldier. He is hardworking and artistic. This Bucky is skillfully talented and energetic. He is someone who won't let you down. Next up, we have our International Service Director, Rotrakta Permita. Permita is the Valkyrie who is calm, analytical, and smart. She knows how to build a bond and communicate. This Valkyrie can allure anyone with her bubbly personality, as she always helps everyone to develop and grow. Then we have a sports director, Rotrakta Saransh. Saransh is a Black Panther with strength, endurance, speed, agility, reflexes, stamina, and senses, which will make him a true sports person. He is cheerful, breezy, and emanates enjoyment around him. He is an excellent listener, indicating that he is a people person. Next up, we have someone who has handled it all. Protractor Shadil Mahadik, social media director. Shadil is assertive but sympathetic. He never fails to put his heart and soul into his task. That's what makes him our amazing Spider-Man at Rescue. His vast experience in social media speaks at the bill. He is out to he's out to rule the digital world with his amazing and incredible skills. We also have a joint director, Protractor Sriram. Sriram is a Deadpool. In similar fashion, he has a superhuman ability of multitasking. He is sincere and receptive, who also tons of jokes. His fine qualities are creative, and his knowledge is very extensive. He's an ambitious guy and always plays fairly. This Deadpool is known for its hard work and determination towards achieving goals. Next up, we have our digital communications director, Rotrakta Mrinmay. Mrinmay is the guy who brings thoughts to reality and emotions to all our graphics. A Hawkeye has all the technical expertise. Simplicity being the key to his personality, you will always find him determined towards delivering the best in the world. And along with him, we have Rotrakta Krutika. Krutika is well prepared and very passionate about researching and implementing ideas. She can mimic the appearance and voice of any person. She is a very versatile person, just like a raven. This raven is dedicated with a broad smile and she accepts all the challenges with utmost subtlety. Next up, we have a PR director from Malika. Jean Grey is a caring and nurturing figure, same as Malika. She is stunning, caring, and someone who has always been polite and has excellent people skill. Next up, we have Rajat, our marketing director, Rotrakta Rajat, our marketing director. Rajat is the loci who is spontaneous, cunning, gifted, and intelligent guy. His knowledge and marketing expertise proves to be a great asset to our team. He's friendly and leaves no stone unturned and gets the job done. He's always there when you need him. Next up, our last director, we have Rotrakta Vivan as the club ambassador. Vivan depicts Ant-Man's character as he is charming, sneaky, and brave. He can break his way into anywhere and talk his way out too. A person who is ready to lend a helping hand is here to take the club to greater heights. This was it with the core and board of directors. I will now introduce you to my amazing general body members. First up, we have Rotrakta Sahil, Rotrakta Gauri, Rotrakta Atharva, Rotrakta Yojit, Rotrakta Bhumika, Rotrakta Gunjan, Rotrakta Arya, Rotrakta Komal, Rotrakta Piyush, Rotrakta Sanjana, Rotrakta Sachi, Rotrakta Yashasvi, Rotrakta Akash Singh, Rotrakta Shishti, Rotrakta Dhruv, Rotrakta Suyash, Rotrakta Anushka, Rotrakta Priyesh, Rotrakta Anish, Rotrakta Snehal, Protractor Arpita, Protractor Aditi Mishra, Protractor Aditi Vaidya, Protractor Tanvi, Protractor Shruti, Protractor Khushi, Protractor Palak, Protractor Shrishti, Protractor Hussain, Protractor Dishika, Protractor Riya, Protractor Aniket, Protractor Devesh, Protractor Sohail, Protractor Rohan, Protractor Chetan, Protractor Riva, Protractor Riddhi, Protractor Meet, Protractor Aditi Shinkar, Protractor Ashna, and Protractor Vedant. This is my amazing team for the year 2021-22.
We will now reveal the bulletin of the Rotaract Club of Sydenham College for the year 2021 to 2022. A popular saying goes, rules are made to be broken. And I'm not saying that to be disrespectful. Rules are made to be broken because if everyone travels within their bounds, no horizons will ever be explored and expanded. We as a society have the task to constantly challenge the rules, making sure that we leap over their limitations. When we mean no harm and act to the advantage of our fellow men. Owing to the same belief, RCSE presents to you the Taboo Tabloid. The three T's aim to challenge the norms and move further than the usual. This quarterly tabloid with focus on rocking the boat, prompting the reader to step back and ponder over and contemplate. All with the intention to give them a new direction, one with questions leading to innovations. I now like to invite Rotractor Parth Barot to introduce our professor in charge.
Hello, am I audible? Uh, Mr. Rajendra Mali is currently the Assistant Professor of Economics and Head of the Department of Economics at Sydenham College. Sir has been a constant source of guidance and support for the Rotaract Club. Sir is also the NSS Program Officer of the NSS of Sydenham College and has greatly contributed to the field of community service. Sir, I kindly request you to say a few words.
Thank you, Parth. Good afternoon to everyone. I, Professor Rajendra Mali, in charge of Rotaract Club of our college. So, unfortunately, our principal, Madam Dr. Madhuri Kagalkar, Madam, is not going to attend this second installation ceremony. So, with the permission of her and our alumni, Sri Shyam Kotak sir and Sri Ajit Lalmani sir, and in charge of Sydenham Alumni Cell, Dr. Ritesh Kumar Singhal sir, and also the president of Sydenham Rotaract Club, Ms. Dipang Shah, I, Professor Rajendra Mali, would like to welcome you all on this second installation ceremony. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate Ms. Dipang Shah and her team for working so good in this Rotaract Club. So, friends, as Parth has told to all of you, I'm also looking after NSS. I'm working as an NSS program officer. So the motto of NSS is not me, but you. So that is, it is a service to the mankind. So Rotaract Club is very large organization. It works at national level, also at international level. So it is nothing but a global movement of young leaders. I'm looking the presentation that is given by all of you. I feel proud that I am seeing global leaders among all of you, and it brings people of ages 18 and older together to exchange ideas with the leaders in the community and develop leadership and professional skills. So definitely this is an opportunity for all of us for self-development as well as the development of society. So I give my best wishes to all of you, and thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to talk to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. That was truly inspiring, and we share our gratitude with you. We would also like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our dearest principal, ma'am, Dr. Madhuri Kagalkar, for believing in us and supporting in us in this journey. Thank you, ma'am. We are utterly grateful. I'd like to call upon Parth Barot to continue.
Thank you, Unnati. Going ahead, we would like to brief you all about Rotarian Murad Kurawala sir, our Rotaract Committee Chair. Sir was a part of RCHR, that is Hasaram Rejumal College, from the year 1988 to 2003, and has been a part of RCHR, that is Hasaram Rejumal College, from the year 1988 to 2003, and has been a Rotarian for 8 years. He's also the founder and CEO at CG Lab. Sir is fascinated by the visual effects industry, and in 2010, he started his studio and moved out to be a producer. I would request Rotarian Murad Kurawala sir to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, congratulations, Dipansha, on being elected and taking over. Hopefully, I can be of immense support to all of you. I am the Rotaract chair from the Rotary Club, which technically means that I'm the liaison between the Rotaractors and the Rotary. So any help that you all need from my side, from Rotary side, me and my team are always able, and hopefully we can do a lot more projects together. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We truly look up to you for your guidance. To grace the evening, we also have with us Rotarian Ajit Lalwani, sir. He is the Managing Director and CEO of Sunstar Graphics, and he has over 40 years of experience in screen printing industry, manufacturing of ink, distribution of printing equipment, and printing media like self-adhesive products. Sir has also helped in setting up India's largest screen printing plants equipped with the best technology available. He specializes in managing brands of international players in screen and digital products in the Indian market and helps them successfully build their market share. Sir is also the head of the proposed Alumni Association of our college and has been a pillar of support for us in this beautiful journey of starting a Rotaract Club. Thank you so much for providing us with this opportunity, sir. The stage is all yours.
Hearty congratulations to the incoming Rotaract President, Dipansha, on her installation as the second president of the Sydenham Rotaract Club. Last year, Yash had organized an amazing event for the first president installation, and thanks to the support and guidance of the principal, Madam Kagalkar, that the Sydenham Rotaract Club was formed. Rotary is a worldwide organization established over 100 years ago and present in over 150 countries. Only in a city like Bombay, we have over 150 Rotary clubs. The focus is on community service in the field of health, education, care of elders and children. The guiding principles of the Rotary movement is the four-way test, which asks the question in all our actions. 1. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? If all of us follow the four-way test.
Thank you so much, Ajit Lalwani sir, for giving us a bodacious speech and your precious time. Next up, we have two people who have helped us since day one. They have been kind enough to guide us and explain all the roles and responsibilities associated with the corresponding functions. They have answered our doubts even at midnight, have extended their support at every excruciating moment. Let's hear from our two awesome ZRRs, Rotractor Puneet and Rotractor Rutuja.
Hi guys, I'm good.
Yes, you are.
Sorry, I'm a bit outside right now. The noise will be there. I'm out for the event. So first of all, congratulations to the Dipansha and the entire team. You all have done an amazing job. I've been interacting with the entire team of year 21-22. Amazing thing, amazing strategy, amazing plan up you all have. As a ZRR, I'll just say one thing: the support will be there for 24/7. Just a call away, drop a message to me or Rutuja will 24/7. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, am I audible? Can you all hear me?
Yes, Rutuja, you're audible.
Okay, so firstly, I would like to congratulate the outgoing team for having a successful year. Congratulations to everyone. And of course, congratulations to the incoming team, Rutraka Dipanksa, the president, of course. I remember you guys, asking doubts, and I really love the way you just don't be formal, you just ask in a friendly way that really helps, it makes me feel that we are, even we belong to your club as well. We both Zararas are there to help the entire zone in whatever way possible. So yeah, it's true. You can ask for help anytime, even if it's 3 a.m. in the night. You can call me. As I said, I'll be awake. So yeah, and yeah, just congratulations and all the best for the year. I know I have met you guys personally on for our meetings as well, and each one of you are very excited about the year, and you really have a lot of plans. So just all the best for that. And if you need any help, even from now onwards till throughout the year, please you can contact me and Puneet anytime. Okay. So thank you so much for for having us here. Thank you.
Thank you, Puneet, Puneet and Rutraka Rutuja. We'll surely take you up on those offer. Now, it gives me both honor and privilege to introduce you to you this role model of note, a man of distinction, the distinguisher, our DRR for the year 21-22. A talented, enthusiastic, dedicated personality is truly an honor. His exceptional achievement, dedication, and hard work reflects on the fact that he has been an achiever in a short span. Graduated from the DTSS College, a graphic designer who is currently pursuing chartered accountancy. His leadership skills have bloomed since his learning days. From being a general secretary to being recognized as a student of the year, from winning cultural competition to acing academic performances, he has done it all. His road trip journey began from being a general body member in 2011 and being elected as the president in the immediate year. His contagious passion led him to be a district council member, to handling posts for community service, zonal road track representative for Zone 1B, HRD officer, and later entered the core team for being the chairman digital media, district secretary, chairman zone, chairman finance, and deputy DRR in the later years. He also joined Rotary in the year 2018-19 as a Rotarian. Awards and accolades have been innumerable under his name, but highlighting a few: Best Director Digital Communications, Outstanding IPP, winning Red 2015, achieving the DRR special recognition and being adjudged as the Outstanding District Secretary. A man so virtuous with his work, an inspiration, a mentor, and most importantly, a boon companion to many. With passion driving him through. Let us come up together, cheer, and join me as I welcome on stage first Retractor, who is the PHF for the RI year 21-22, District Retract Representative of RID 3141, PHF Retractor Bharat Patel.
Hello everyone. Hi. So respected dignitaries, district council members, district court team members, road tractors, parents, guests, whoever is watching right now, good afternoon to each and everyone present here. First of all, congratulations to road tractor Yash for the wonderful year 2021. And in the last year, it was very difficult for everyone to survive, but still you had a 52 members and you did a 6 projects, 6 mega projects. It's really commendable job. So great work, not to just the president, but for the entire team of 2021, that they have done a great job in the pandemic year, and they have survived in the pandemic year, because it was very difficult for not just for the clubs, but for the district also to, maintain the road track activity in the COVID situation. But with this, we proved the world that, whatever condition it is, whatever challenges we are facing, road tractors will never stop. We will always work hard for the society, right? Before coming to the function, have acknowledged people. So we have two lovely Zadaras, road tractor Rutuja and road tractor Puneet. And I can say that, Dipansha, whenever you need any kind of support from District 741, I'm always there with you. You can call me anytime, okay? But sometimes, I have a lot of things to attend, right? So I might miss your call, correct? So that time you can contact your ZRR, Puneet and Rutuja, and I promise you on their behalf that whenever you need any kind of support, Rotary District 3141 give you 100% support from our side, right? But nothing comes free, correct? You also need to make sure that you are supporting your ZRRs, your zone, and your district, correct? Third, just one sec. We have a Rotary Club of Bombay here, right? So the parent Rotary Club of Bombay, thank you so much for supporting our Rotractors, and they have other Rotractors also, and we have seen a great feedback from the same. Thank you so much, Murad sir. Is here. Yeah. Thank you so much, Raj sir, and all the Rotarians who are present here for always supporting our Rotractors, not just this club, but all the Rotractors of Rotary District 141. Okay, so Dipansha, hi. First of all, I want to apologize for not coming on ground because of I have other things to attend also. So I'm really sorry for the same. But I will make sure that in the entire year we will have a great fellowship meeting. We'll go to a cafe, a nice cafe, and meet all the members together. Second, I just want to say that there are three things which is very important as a president, which I feel and which I always convey to my president during the installation. One is membership. So membership is very important for Rotary and Rotary District 141, and we believe that our Rotary International also has a target of 1.3 million people in the Rotary Foundation, correct? So I want Dipansha that you also focus on the membership and make sure that we have at least 101 Rotractor in this club. So already you have registered 62 members in the district. I have just checked with my finance team. So you already registered 62 members, and that's a really great job that in the first quarter itself you have a 62 members with you, right? So I think there will be no such challenges you will face to get more 40 members. So I think we should have at least 101 member in the club. Second is district participation. So district does a lot of projects, okay, and we do these projects not for us, right? It's for our Rotractors, it's for all of you, correct? So I want each and every Rotractors to please attend district project and meet your fellow Rotractors, fellow district council members, right? It's a great chance for you to build network, to connect with other Rotractors, and it will help for your future only. The third and most important thing is the wish list. So Dipansha, I believe that if you want to break the legacy, it's okay. But we have to focus on the dreams of our Rotractors, whatever dreams they have, okay, not in the Rotrac, but in outside Rotrac also, if they have any kind of dreams, okay, all the Rotractors, if you have any kind of dream, please share it with your president, okay? And Dipansha, is not just your responsibility, but it's my responsibility also as a DRR that whatever dreams our Rotractors have, we give them a platform and we fulfill their dreams in the year 21-22, right? So, and also I want to appreciate this club for sending the bylaws on time. So they are ready with the bylaws, they are ready with the membership, they are ready with the projects. So this club is going to get a great shine throughout the year, right? So I'm really happy with this club, and Dipansha, I'm really proud that you are taking this presidentship of this club. So continue the same work, and let's make sure that we fulfill the dreams of our Rotractors. Let's make sure that we serve the society by changing their lives, and let's make sure that we make our mark for the year 21-22. Thank you so much for inviting me here, and thank you so much, Dipansha, for the wonderful introduction. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable insights and advice. We'll surely follow it, and we look forward to meeting you on ground. We now have a performance by a fellow camper, Janvi Matre. Associating to our theme of the installation, she will be performing a song, Coldplay cover, I Want Something Just Like This, following the Troop of Heroes, followed by Light Goes On by BTS, whose lyrics are aimed to offer comfort in the time of uncertainty and loss. I proudly present to you, Janvi Matre.
I've been reading books of the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself upon that fish, but she said, what you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero 나 세상이 멈춰서 아무런 에고도 하나 없이 병원 기다리만 몰랐어 눈치 없이 와버렸어 발자국이 지운 싱글이 여기 남아 쌓이는 나의 혼자 가는 시간이 미안해 말도 없이 오늘도 비가 내릴 것 같아 한복 자주 버렸네 아직도 멈추질 않아 주먹구름보다 빨리 달려가 구름 될 줄 알았는데 나 외워 사람인가 봐 몹시 아프네 세상 길어놓으면 쭉 감기 더북 놀래 보는 문지 사이 돼 감기 넘어진 채 정한 눈을 박제해 추운 겨울이 오면 내 실자 또 뜨거운 숨 yeah 끝이 보이지 않아 죽어가 있긴 할까 말에 되지도 않아 잠시 더 내가 여기 내 손 잡아줘 매일 따라 나자 like an echo in the forest 하루가 돌아오겠지 아무 일도 없던 듯이 yeah life goes on like an arrow in the blue sky 또 하루 또 날아겠지 I'm a pillow on my table yeah life goes on like this again I remember oh yeah 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 I remember oh oh I remember oh yeah 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 I remember oh oh
So as we come to the perorate part of our installation ceremony, it's time that we extend our gratitude towards all those who made this event possible and played a serious role in carrying out the operations for the Rotaract Club of Sydenham College. We would extend our sincere gratitude to the guest of honor from Rose Mehta and Ojas Joshi. Prominent Rotarian Murad Kurala sir, our eminent DRR Rotaractor Bharat Patel, our principal ma'am, Dr. Madhuri Kagalkar, for supporting us whenever required, our professor in charge, Rajendra Mali sir, who has guided us through thick and thin, Rotaractor Ajit Lalwani sir, the head of the proposed Alumni Association of the college, and our constant pillar of support. Special thanks to our beloved ZRR Rotaractor. Our sincere gratitude to Dr. Ritesh Singhal and Mr. Shyam Kotak, without whom the very existence of the club would have been questionable. Our heartfelt thanks to our much adored college professors, Mr. Mohammad Virani sir, Ms. Kudsiya Virani, Mr. Prasad Naik sir, Ms. Sumaya Silot ma'am, and for joining the event. Your presence surely made the event a star-studded one. Last but not the least, huge thanks to the parents and friends of the club members who joined us today on the adventure in the cinematic universe. I hope you have an excellent evening ahead. Now I would like to call Rotaractor Palash Wadikar, the secretary of our club, to give the secretariat announcement.
Hello everyone, am I audible? Hello, Palash Wadikar, Secretary of Rotaract Club of Sydenham College, would like to present my first secretariat announcement for the installation ceremony. Attendance for second installation ceremony is as follows. Club Rotaractor 60, Rotarians, guest parents, faculty, and other club Rotaractors 30, District Council members 4, President and Secretaries 10, making it a grand total of 87. Thank you. Now I would request our President Dipansha Khetawat to adjourn the meeting.
I now declare the meeting as adjourned. Thank you everyone for joining in.